front of me is a MEIZU M8, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the dialer application, navigate to your Contacts tab, tap on the three dots and go to Settings, Manage Contacts, and then select Import from SIM card. This will automatically select all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, so if you want all of them, then simply select Export to Phone. But if you might not want every contact, you can deselect the ones that you don't want, and from there you can select Export to Phone, which will export only the ones that are checked. And there we go. So now the contacts have been imported. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.